You guys, I was craving Generaltso's chicken from the Chinese place that me and my husband always goes to. And I didn't want to get out of the house, so I decided to make it myself. And wow, is it yummy. It tastes identical and it was super easy to make. You guys have to try this. Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making crockpot Generaltso's chicken. I will be putting the recipe in this video and then also in the description so you guys can try it out and let me know if you do. I hope everybody had an amazing Happy New Year. Right now we are just cutting up the chicken. And then we are going to be making our cornstarch mixture to dip this in. And then we are going to brown our meat and then throw it all in the crock pot. The chicken you will want to cut in about 1-inch pieces of chicken. The chicken is done. Let's dip them in the cornstarch. I'm going to put our cornstarch in the bowl and our salt and pepper. Adding our pepper, salt, we're going to dip our chicken in the cornstarch. We have the chicken all coated, so now we are going to put it in the skillet. Here is the chicken being browned, and then we are going to put it in the crock pot. But first, let's make our sauce. Pineapple juice. Vinegar. Now mix it all up. After you finish mixing up your sauce, you want to put your browned cornstarch chicken inside of your sauce and then put your crock pot on low and let it set for 4 hours. I'll see you when it's finished. I am going to cheat tonight and not do white rice. I'm just going to go ahead and just use this already seasoned chicken flavored rice. The rice is complete, so let's plate it. This is it all complete. I will catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch some past videos if you haven't.